Well, get one.
You know what? Oh, my dad did.
Oh, well. You can have one. I'm not telling you.
Yeah, help yourself. Help
Well,
yourself.
You want to
I don't want you. I don't want to send you into a diabetic coma or anything.
Sometimes I have to let it be.
Well, they said my willpower was good. They sat in front of me for about 15 minutes, and I had a belly going.
No.
That's all I knew. All right. Let me get $2 for everything. That's good, isn't it? I thought you might like that.
That's the washing machine, the dryer.
Y'all have no washing powder, did I?
No, we didn't have any washing powders.
I didn't even see a washing machine.
Yeah, there's washing machine and dryer back there.
Oh.
So you didn't see?
Everything's half price tomorrow, so you need to check that with us. Tomorrow's half price day.
No, I have to get on the diet tomorrow.
Well, tell your friends. Tell all your friends to come back. We gotta empty this place out.
I might look see if I see something else in the refrigerator. That's why I found this stuff in it.
Oh, okay.
You don't mind me looking at it?
No, please, we want you to look.